What's up guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you came and you clicked my videos. So today I just wanna take you around and see the latest updates of the Nairobi Express Highway. So if you are new, kindly I ask you to just subscribe to my channel and also like it. You can share with your friends. That's how you support me. And also don't forget to leave a comment down so that I can know what kind of videos or how you find my videos. So I'm here at this okay, let's say like the extension of Uhuru Highway, and just wanna take you around the Uhuru Highway so that you can see how this beautiful express highway looks like. So for now, what I can update you is that so far as I've moved around, I can report that they have installed the CCTV cameras. That's one, yeah, CCTV cameras. Oh, those are just found around the toll stations of the entry points. And second thing, they have installed security lights, as you can see. Yeah, those are the security lights around the express highway. Yeah, and another thing, another update about this express highway is that the toll stations are mostly finished. Yeah, mostly finished. When you see that's about just few paintings, they're just painting and finishing around. And also then going tarmacking. Yeah, they are continuously tarmacking the express highway. They are continuously tarmacking the express highway. You can see that, like this side where I'm pointing, yeah, they are applying the tarmac and also some final structures. Then another update I can see so far is that, okay, the drainage systems, the drainage, the trenches, they are being finished, like the digging, like you see, those just creating drainage systems around, you know. One of the things that problem with this highway is that maybe water, yeah, and also you know, a road that's built on concrete, yeah, that's a durable road. Yeah, it can stay for a longer period of time. So this, you can see here, this is the toll stations. Yeah, these are one of the toll stations. So far I can see those are CCTV cameras. You can see, okay, like they've installed the air conditioners and also a screen and alarm, or the backup alarm around it. Yeah. So then another thing, as I am moving, I've noticed that they are beautifying the pillars. You know, these kinds of pillars. These kinds of pillars, they are beautifying around. They are installing the creeper plants around. You know, one of the major problems about Kenyans are graffiti, and we have one of the famous guy called Flossin Mawano. If you mention Flossin Mawano for any Nairobians, yeah, he knows them. He knows the Flossin Mawano, because this guy, the famous guy for graffitiing around maybe the tunnels, the pillars, yeah, something like that. So those are so far the updates. Yeah. So you can see that is the mixer, concrete mixer. Actually, they are tarmacking that road on that side. So guys, yeah, I was inquiring if I could maybe walk through the express. I've been told they can't allow that. I think it's for safety reasons, yeah, safety reasons, and also the main contractors, the Chinese, they don't just like being exposed on the camera. So this one is near the Haile Selassie Avenue, Haile Selassie Avenue, and so this is one of the interchange. So maybe, yeah, one of the interchange. So maybe you're coming from this side. When you reach there, you have just to change around.